So this is the page that I have right now. There is only a stories page. Services is not working, contacts not working. So it's all about, this is only a home page and a story page. This is the folders of Laravel. This is where migrations are, users. It's almost accurate with the specs of the client, passwords, reset. I'm pretty sure this is the pattern of, okay, Laravel and projects. It was already created, but there is missing a field that I will add now, is the status of the project. So table, this will be not an integer. Yes, it will be an integer, but with a foreign key, like the user one. I just need to change the name of the field. I will call it ID status, ID on, and I will add status. I'm pretty sure this will create a problem in the future, but I will stay like that. So okay, now I need the command to run to create migrations. How I can create the migration? Let me see. Oh, there it is. PHP artisan make migration. Create, add votes. Okay, I will add this. I open Docker PHP container. I paste the okay, table name is status. I don't want this name. Actually, the name will be something like the previous ones. It will be create status table. Yeah, exactly. Okay, I need to create underscore. This is really important to maintain the accurate names of the specs, previous specs of the 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 programmer. So I don't want a table, I want to create. Okay, create. Just run this, and there we go. We already have the status migration. There is a problem, and the problem is in the project I have the foreign key of status, so this migration need to run before project. So the trick I will use to do that, I will just change the name to make the migrate before project, like this. So it doesn't updated. Oh yeah, just refresh. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we have what we expect. We run status and then projects. Now I will create the fields. Okay, what do I need? I can copy and paste the, okay, and I will need a status. Okay, I will need nothing more actually. It's just that I just need an ID and a status, I guess. So in comments I have almost the same. I have an ID user, in image the same. I have an ID story, a URL. So this is not to add. I will add the user here. It's really important to link users right here. So this is telling me I will not upload images, so it's really cool. Social medias, also URL, an icon, name, edit project. Yeah, that's it, I guess. So foreign key to edit project. Okay, yeah, edit user. This is really important. So right now I will speed up and create the other migrations like video tables. Okay, I will speed up with this. The structure is the same for all of them. So now I need the rankings. It's the same. And that's it. So now I just run PHP artisan migrate, and I hope this makes some errors. Yes, nice, an error. So database problem with user root. Sure, okay, I know what this is. This problem occurs when Docker is not running and the container of my SQL have the defaults user and passwords, so I need to change it to root. That was the specs of Docker in the project. So to do that, I just need to copy these nice snippets. Now I will open my SQL container. Oh, container not found. Maybe a Docker up will exactly my problem. Oh, nice. Yeah, it was down. Okay, now yeah, my SQL is running. Now I need to open the user root with the password root, like the error tell me exactly. It's working. Now I just need these two codes. No, the two. Exactly. Awesome. Past play. Okay, now probably I will not have any problem to run the migrations. Not this one. Okay. PHP action migrate users. I hope this make another error to show more errors on this. Sometimes migrations are a pain in the ass. Let me see another error. I'm pretty sure. Okay, there is. So the column ID user doesn't entail. Okay, of course not. What table? What table? Stories. Okay, let's go to stories. Exactly. Yeah. I doesn't exactly. I need to copy this from projects and add it in stories. I didn't insert the field. I just put like a foreign key. So no, just migrate again. Oh, he's telling me this already exists, so I need to migrate fresh. Okay. Auth, really cool. Clients, personal access, status, project. I really speed up because you will probably in your projects the client will give you exactly the structure of the database, so just follow the example you have in the previous coders and strict with it to not create so much difference. And okay, there you okay, it my database was created and looks nice for now. So yeah.